Gates open, then up and racing Sir Frederick. As expected, draws for your lead. Running alongside is the stablemate, is Speed to Riches. Then running by the rail, Hot Gossip. Dashing, racing in fourth, Fiery Bull comes next. Cool Reception running alongside. Next in line is Strong Boy. By the rail is Red Reporter, and Red Hot Water is running at the tail of the field as they head towards the 1,000-meter mark. We have the Lone Gray Galloper in this race, Sir Frederick, by about a length and a half. Hot Gossip now running in second and getting closer. Moving up on the outside. Cool Reception, Fiery Bull, Strong Boy closing into the picture past the half mile. Sir Frederick leading the field. Hot Gossip now trying to put a challenge on the outside. Strong Boy coming in closer in third. Then comes Dashing as they race towards the last 450. Hot Gossip takes the lead. Sir Frederick is Strong Boy closing in on the outside. Dashing also in there as the action turns for home. Hot Gossip leading the field. Running on the outside is Strong Boy. Sir Frederick Dashing with the last 150 more to run. It's Hot Gossip by about 2 lengths over Strong Boy. Dashing remains in third. And finally, Hot Gossip is Strong Boy. Dashing close between Red Hot Water and Sir Frederick. Then comes Cool Reception, Reporter. 8A is Speed to Riches and Fiery Bull.